So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on YouTube. So to block someone on YouTube, all you have to do now, after you open your YouTube app, as you can see like this one. So if you want to block someone on it, all you have to do, just go and select the channel that you want to block. So let's say for me, I want to block this channel, as you can see this channel. So go now, open the channel that you want to block, as you can see like this one. So allow it to finish loading. As you can see, if you want to block a channel like this one, all you have to do now, scroll to left, as you can see like this one. So if you scroll even to left, now there is no option for you to block the channel after you open the channel, but you can block the channel before you open the channel. So let's go back like this one. So as I told you, I want to block this one. So to block it, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot beside the channel, this three dot. After you tap on this three dot, as you can see now, scroll to down. Even in this section now, you can't find any option that gives you block direct, but you can only tap on this don't recommend section. So by tapping on this don't recommend section, now you can never see any video related to this channel on your YouTube homepage. Now you are telling to YouTube that you don't want to see any video from this channel on your YouTube app. So tap on this don't recommend. So by tapping on this don't recommend, now I can't be able to see any video from this channel on my YouTube app. That's it guys, on how to block any channel on YouTube without any stress. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.